Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your AAA home insurance. Okay, so basically if you've taken any home insurance by AAA, how you can cancel. So the cancellation is very easy. You just need to visit your nearest local agent, and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance, or they will cancel your insurance. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can call their customer support team, and the phone number you will get in our video description box. This is the phone number page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit, or I will provide you phone numbers also in the video description, and you can dial the phone number. And once you get connected, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your home insurance. Okay, and they will guide you, and they will ask you some details related to your insurance policy numbers and all, and they will cancel your home insurance. Okay, so this is the thing by which you can cancel your home insurance. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.